Hello, this is Heather Corbin, and welcome to the White County Home Educators Fine Art School Portraits Gallery. The purpose of this video is to give you a tour of how the gallery system works and to show you the process in which you can order prints or you can order digital files. The system is pretty easy to navigate, and so I just wanted to give you a quick tutorial. When you open up your gallery, you will find that there are albums, one for each family that participated in School Picture Day. Let's just click on Burnside. So you locate your gallery and you will click it. Oh, look at those cute kids. So inside each family gallery are sub-albums for each child. Let's just go ahead and click on David. So to choose your pictures, oh, look at this kid. We had such a fun day that day taking all these pictures. So inside, this is his album, and these are all of his digital files. These are all of his pictures. To make purchases, you will click on the little shopping cart icon that's right underneath their picture. You can also mark favorites if you want to do that, and it'll collect up there in your favorites. So we could, favorite one, and it will show up now. We've got one favorite marked. The ordering process is super simple. You just click on the shopping cart. What will open up first is packages. The package page opens up. You can choose from 3 different packages that would order this print, this particular picture that you've chosen. So you can easily select a package, and the package prices are significantly cheaper than if you ordered them pictures individually. The same, like if you ordered 8 wallets and 2 5x7s, it would be $24. In this package price, it's only $18. So by ordering through a package, you do receive a pretty significant discount. If you choose not to order a package, instead you'd like to click items, you can click over here on items, and then you have the option of prints, and you can choose from a selection, like you could order just 1 5x7 of those, or 8 wallets, or whatever. You can also choose from digital images, canvases, or retouching. If you want something retouched, you can choose to have one image retouched, or you can have the entire gallery retouched. Not very many people choose that, but a lot of people are going to want the digitals. And when you order the digitals, you receive full resolution files, and once you've paid for them, they are emailed to you. And the, oops, sorry about that. And the, oh, come on, let's just stop that. You can tell this is doing it live. Anyway, the watermark is removed on your images that you purchase. Now you can purchase one image at a time. If you only want to buy one image digitally, you can do that. And you just would click on an individual full resolution digital image. Or you can buy the entire album and you can receive all these pictures. This is an honor system the way that I have it set up, and so I trust you guys completely. The first child in your family that you order the entire album of digitals is $50, which is a significant savings over buying the individual digital item price. Significant discount. So for the first child in your family, you would choose the full album for $50. However, for additional siblings, I have offered a significant discount of only $25 for the entire album of their prints. So it makes it super affordable to get all of their digital prints. So again, to go through the purchasing process, you can choose packages of single poses, or you can choose prints of your choice, or you can choose digitals and canvases, retouching, or a combination of the above. I mean, you can order, 8 wallets, and you can also order the digitals. You can choose to do it in whatever combination that you want to do. Your gallery for the White County Home Educators will be up online and available for purchase until December 14th. So between now and December 14th, check out your child's galleries and you can choose how you want to purchase their school pictures. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. You can email me, heathercorbinphotography@gmail.com, or you can call me, 765-427-0834, if you have any questions. But again, thank you so much for allowing me to capture your child's school pictures. Have a great day.